All right, welcome to the channel. If you're interested in the YouTube short program and the bonuses that they give, stick around. You're definitely going to want to see this. So if you're a creator or you're inspiring to be a creator, I'm sure everybody is wondering the same thing. This video is going to show you basically the notification I got. And I'm just going to share it with you today because it came in. And hopefully it helps answer some of the questions that you guys might have if the program is real, when awards are going out, who was going to get them, and how much you're going to get. Shorts and being monetized. So, do you get monetization from short videos? A portion. There's a bonus program for YouTube Shorts. They've created a fund. And they say that based on the performance of your channel, you may earn a certain amount of money. Anywhere from, I guess, $1 to $10,000 based on the performance of your channel. I haven't seen anything yet on any reports about anybody getting paid for any videos. So I made this video because I got this important notification today. And so how much a person gets each month is determined on however YouTube ranks your channel through the algorithm and I guess Google AdSense. So apparently the amount that I have was based on July. And the video that I have that is considered like a viral video basically started going viral for the second time on July 26th. So the amount of money that you're gonna see that's on the video that they paid me for is the amount from July. Now, the video is still going viral, and if it continues to go viral, I'll give you an update if that amount increases or decreases. I don't know if you get an award every month. They said there's no guarantee if you get another award. So I'm completely happy with the award that I got. It's a really exciting and fun time. I hope that any of you creators out there that are doing shorts or getting into shorts, or maybe you've been doing it for a while, are fortunate enough to have one of those videos take off like I did. So I feel very lucky, and thank you for the subscribers and all the views on the video. Now let's check out the rest of the video. There won't really be any audio for the last parts, but it will show you the notifications that I got, how I accepted it, the amount that they said they were going to give me, and the time frame in which I was going to get it. So, like I said, hope you found the video helpful and interesting. I know that I did when I got this notification. I was pretty happy to see it. So, hope you like what you see too. See you on the next video. So, this is my shorts playlist. Looks like I have about 115 videos. You can check it out if you want. So, one of my more popular short video with the tire plug motorcycle flat repair currently has 331,982,469 views and is considered a viral video. This video is in my shorts playlist. Currently has 27,244 comments. It has 3.8 million likes and 249,000 dislikes. So here's the updating live view of the channel. Currently 283,504 subscribers. In the last 48 hours, the channel has gotten 3,143,000 views. So today I got this important notification. Claim a shorts bonus. You're eligible for a bonus from the YouTube Shorts Fund. Claim your bonus by the 25th of the month or it may expire. This was August 9th, 2021, 8:18 p.m. So if you're wondering if the program actually pays or if they are giving any awards, we're going to find out. We're going to click claim bonus.